Okay, we'll try the next one. Try the seventh one, students. There are two questions, right? Can you see there are two questions? Seven. Yeah, left hand side, right hand side. Try the seventh one. Two questions. Okay. Try the seventh. Sixth one, I'll tell you. Sixth one. First, complete the seventh one. Can you see the screen, both of you? Okay. Try the seventh one. There are two questions. Students done? Completed? Both of you are maintaining separate book, right? For tuition? Yeah, write it in that book, student. All these answers will be useful while revision. Science 60. Okay. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Oh, about Shasha, Andrea, then? Okay, look at the seventh main first one, student. Sin 60 is given. What is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. You can write it like LHS. Just put LHS. Okay, put LHS, write sin 60. Seventh main first question. You can write sin 60, root 3 by 2. There. Then take left hand side is done, take right hand side, RHS. RHS 2 into what is sin 30, students? Sin 30 is 1 by 2 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Are we getting root 3 by 2 on the right hand side as well? So you can write LHS is equals to RHS. This is one way. You can write it separately or you can write in one single line like this, or you can just write left hand side is equal to right hand side. You can prove. You can do it together. Do it however you want. Next question. Left hand side there's a value of to prove. Right hand side what you have to prove it? You should get 2. So 4 into sine 34 to the power of 4. What is sine 30 to the power of what? 1 by 2 to the power of 4 plus cos 60 is also 1 by 2 to the power of 4. Close the bracket. This 4 is only for the first two values, students. The 4 outside is only for the first two values. Minus 3 into 7th main second question. Minus 3 into cos square 45. How much is cos square 45? 1 by root 2 the whole square minus 1 by root 2 the whole square. Yes, Anna, why have you joined late? Voice is not audible. Connect to your earphones. Voice is not audible. Okay, look at the screen, Anna. We are doing the 7th main second one. So 4, substitute the value, students. 4. What is 1 by 2 to the power of 4? How many times 1 by 2 should get multiplied, students? The power is 4. How many times it gets multiplied? 4 times. So what's the answer when you multiply 4 times? Yes, respond both of you. See, you can pair it like this. 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. How much is 1 by 4 into 1 by 4? 1 by 16, right? 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16 into 3. If you the square root gets cancelled, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. How much is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2? No. I have done a mistake here. What is sine 90, students? 1, 1. This is actually sine square 90 is 1 square is 1. So you get 1 by 2 minus 1. 4 into 16, 1 plus 1 minus 3 into. When you take LCM, you get 2 minus 2. Fine. Next, 4 into. Now let us open the bracket, students. If I open the bracket, multiplication. 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 16 minus 3 into. What is 1 minus 2? Can you tell me 1 minus 2? Minus 1, right? Minus 1, yes. Minus 1 by 2. Now, I can cancel 4 ones. How many times it goes? 4 is a. Or let me keep it. Multiply this. 8 twos are 4 twos are 8. 8 by 16 minus. When I open the bracket, I get minus into minus is plus 3 by 2. So that is equals to, if I reduce this, 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. LCM is 2. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 divided by 2. If I reduce it, we are getting 2 as the answer. Is this clear? Understood? Okay, both 2 ones. This is what you have to do. And now connect your earphones, Anna. Earphones, headphones, voice is not audible. Okay. Next question. Shall we do the next one? Not able to turn the audio. Fine, Anna. Complete it. Be quick. Complete the 7th main. I'll teach you the 6th one. How do you solve the 6th one, students? Just read the question. Is any value given? 6th one? No, right? Instead of that, what kind of right angle triangle is it? What they mentioned? 6th question. It's an isosceles triangle. Yeah, look at the sixth one. Yes, just send a message here, Anna. Did you complete the previous one? Previous question, did you complete? Okay. Next question, so look at the sixth question, all of you. ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle. ABC. What do you mean by isosceles right angle, students? How many sides are equal here? Two sides. And what given? AB is equals to x and BC is also equal to x. Instead of x, if I had given 5 and 5 here, how do you find AC when two sides are given? Which concept do we use? Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equals to what? BC square plus AB square. X square plus x square. So what is AC, students? AC is equals to square root of x square plus x square is 2x square. Root 2 remains as it is. You can take out x here multiplied by like this, x square to the whole square. Your root gets cancelled. Therefore, the answer is x root 2. What is the value of AC? We got AC is equals to x root 2. Is this calculation clear? Did you understand? Okay. Try sine 45, cos 45, tan 45. No. 45. It is 45. X and x is given. 1 minute, students. 1 minute. What is sine 45? Find the value of each of the following trigonometry ratios. Okay, these 45 degrees, they're just given to confuse. We need to find sine 45. Just a minute. Okay. What's the total value of a right angle triangle, students? I mean, total value of a triangle is how much? 180 degree, right? 180 angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180. In that, how much is angle B? How much is angle B? 90 degrees. If this is isosceles triangle, which two angles are equal? PB. Which side is opposite to CB, students? Angle A will be equal to angle, which one? C, right? Angle C. I'll take it as Y. Both I'll take it as angle Y. So Y plus Y is equals to 180. Let's find the angle of Y. 2Y is equal to 180 minus 90. Y is equals to 90 divided by 2. What is Y? How many degrees, students? 45. So each how many degrees? Each how many degrees? 45 degrees, right? All of you will respond. Total value 180. If both other two angles are equal, it should definitely be how much? 45 and 45, right? It should be 45 and 45. First complete till here, and then I'll teach how to find sine, cos, tan. Let me know if you have done. Write both students, both the diagrams. First go through. Don't just copy. Go through the question. Okay, all of you completed. 45 and 45. Fine. Now we have all three sides, students. Three sides and three angles. See, I'll erase this. This is enough. In this, we applied Pythagoras theorem and using sum of angle, we got to know these two are 45 degrees. 45 and 45. Now, what are the three formulas questions they have given? Sin 45, cos 45, tan 45. So first sin 45. What is sin 45, students? Take any 45 degrees. Take angle A or angle C. Let me take angle C. See, sin 45. I'll take angle C. With respect to angle C, what is sin? What is sin formula? Perpendicular by which is perpendicular for sin C 45, which is perpendicular? AB divided by AC. What is AB, students? AB is x, AC is x root 2. X and x gets cancelled. What's the answer? We have 1 by root 2. Is this clear? Did you understand? Cos 45 is given. Take any 45 degree value. Cos 45, tan 45. See, cos 45. And we know what is sin 45 and cos 45. What's the answer for sin 45 and cos 45? 1 by root 2, right? 1 by root 2. But we need to prove using the diagram what they have given. We need to prove using the diagram. See, we almost got the answer. Completed. Find cos 45. Base by hypotenuse. What is base, students? For angle C, what is base? CB divided by AC. That is equals to x divided by x root 2. We get 1 by root. Now we all try tan 45. 10. Okay, just a minute. What is sine 45, students? Actually, what's the answer for sine 45? According to table, what's the answer? 1, 1, right? 1. Yes, we'll use tan C, students. What is tan 45? We'll use tan C. What is the formula for tan 45? Opposite perpendicular by base. X divided by x. Both gets cancelled. Are we getting answer 1? Right? This is how you solve. Using the diagram. If they give diagram question. Next question. So we have done the 6th and 7th main. 8th main, if x is equal to acute, find the value of x. X plus y is 45, true or false? Okay, we'll keep all this pending. Do that AB. Fine. Can you all send me 21D? Sasha, can you send me 21D? Yeah, whoever has phone, student. Yes, send me 21D. See, keep this as pending, students. The 8th main and 9th main, 8th, 9th, 10th. Once your school reopen, if ma'am does, I'll teach that 8th, 9th, and 10th. We'll start 21D. Today and tomorrow. Tomorrow or by Saturday, I have to complete. Monday, I'll start new chapter. What is 21D? What is it? Send the entire thing. How many pages are there? Okay, send that. How many exercises are there? E and F. Do you have an E and F? Total how many? E, F, or till G? F. All are MC. Like, okay, send all three. Sure, sure. Send all three. This year it is lengthy, students. Last year, R.S. Agarwal had less exercise, only 4 exercises. But in publication, it was 6 exercises. Yes, Shasha, that's it. Only this exercise. Okay, fine. We'll start 21 now. Okay, we'll start with 21D students. Look at the screen. It's a simple concept, same like 21C. Look at the first question, MCQ, first one. If in here they'll give you value of a certain alphabet, certain variable, they'll give a value. Example, first question, A is equal to 30 degrees. Then the question is sine 2A divided by 1 minus cos 2A. In place of A, what you'll have to substitute? All of you respond. In place of A, how much you have to substitute? 30 degrees divided by 1 minus cos 2 into 30. That's it. Solve this, you'll get the answer. Try this. What is 2 into 30? Sine 60. Right, sine 60 value. How much is sine 60? Root 3 by 2. 1 minus cos 60 is how much, students? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Take LCM, complete it. Okay. And they've given 4 options. Do one thing, substitute A here, students. What is cot 30? Substitute cot 30, tan 30. Check which option you get. What is cot sec 30? Cosec 30. Substitute all the values. Tell me which option you get right answer. Okay, let me solve this. Root 3 divided by 2. When you take LCM, what do we get, students? Root 3 divided by 2 into 2 by 1. What's the answer we'll got? Root 3 for this? Yeah, root. Which one of these four options give root 3, students? Cot 30, tan 30, sec 30 or cosec 30? Which is root 3? Look at the table. Let us check the table. Which one has root 3 in it? Tell me which one. Can you see cot 30 and which one? No, cot 60 and tan, cot 30 and tan 60, right? Both have root 3. Cot 30 tan 60, but what value they have given here? Cot 30 tan 60 is not given. So what's the option, students? Which is the answer? Cot cot 30. But you can't write cot 30 there. What you have to write? Cot A. Yes, first one is the option. Option 1 is the answer. Option 1. Second question. Second question, they have given two values. See, they have given sine A value 1 and B value. The question is sine, first main B1, sine 60 multiplied by cos 30 plus cos 60 cos 60 multiplied by sine 30. Try this question. Substitute the value, students. In place of A and B, just put the value 30, 60. Done? Okay. What is sine 60? I'll solve with students. Anna completed. Shasha Anna. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 plus cos 60. How much is cos 60, students? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So keep solving without looking at the table. Solve this. Okay. The more you solve, you'll get used to the values. For 10th standard, it's very important concept. Trigonometry, and there's one more, heights and distance. Now root 3 and root 3, if I multiply, 3 divided by 4 plus 1 by 4. LCM 3 plus 1. You get 4 divided by 4. Is the answer 1? Did you all get 1? B is the answer, students. 1. What's the time? 12:27. Okay. B is the answer. Take 2 questions from. I'll tell you which one. There are 3 questions. Sine 30 is given. So substitute A wherever sine is given. A value is given. Try 3rd, 4th, and 5th for homework. All 3 questions. Will you try it for homework? Yeah. Second main will complete. Second, third, fourth will complete tomorrow. Okay, I think this might take another 1 week. There is exercise E, exercise F. Exercise E is bit tough. Exercise E, exercise F is easy. 77 tan. Exercise F is easy. Exercise F is actually important. Okay, fine. Try these 3 questions. Attend at 4:30 tomorrow. Three questions for homework. I want all 3 of you to solve and send it. Every day I'm giving homework. Only 1 or 2 students. 1 student is sending. If not, you all don't even send it. Try these 3 students. We'll continue tomorrow. Any doubts? Do you all have any doubts? Okay, we'll